Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress on Namecheap. To begin, make sure you have a Namecheap hosting plan and a domain name already registered. Once that's set, simply log in to your Namecheap account dashboard. From there, you'll need to find either the cPanel or the Softaculous Apps installer to kickstart your WordPress journey. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to get started. Now, let's get WordPress installed. Once you're in cPanel, head over to the Softaculous Apps installer. You'll easily spot WordPress there. Just click the Install button. You'll then be prompted to fill in some essential details, such as your website's name and your administrator login information. Remember to select the correct domain and directory where you want WordPress to reside. This one-click installation makes setting up your site incredibly simple and fast. With WordPress successfully installed, it's time for some basic configuration. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard using the credentials you just created. First, navigate to the Settings menu to adjust your site's general information, like the site title and tagline. It's also a good idea to update your permalink structure for improved search engine visibility. Finally, consider enabling an SSL certificate to ensure your website is secure and trustworthy for all your visitors. To truly customize your site, dive into WordPress themes and plugins. WordPress offers a vast library of both free and premium themes. Choose one that perfectly matches your website's purpose and aesthetic. Next, explore the plugin directory to extend your site's capabilities. There are thousands of plugins available, covering everything from robust security features and reliable backup solutions to user-friendly contact forms. Experiment with different options to find what works best for your unique needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.